Over the next 5 days, yes, I do mean 5 days, we are going to be having a slight risk of severe weather and a whole possible outbreak occurring over the to this weekend into the beginning of next week. There, we're going to be having severe weather occurring from the southern plains to the Midwest, even into the upper Great Lakes. Starting off today, April 11th, 2026, we have a slight risk of severe weather over here in southwestern Texas and a little bit of southeastern New Mexico. Our biggest risk is going to be the wind risk and hail risk, which are going to be roughly in the same areas. With a 50% chance in that slight risk area. And then also the wind risk, we're going to be seeing be mostly in the Rocky Mountains region. The hail threat will be mostly a Great Plains and a Midwest threat. Very isolated though in these brown areas. We do also have a tornado risk with a 2% in over here in Texas and as well as Nebraska and Kansas. The one in Nebraska and Kansas, so in and around Omaha, does also have a categorical risk 1, so damaging tornadoes are possible with that as well. Day 2, we also have a slight risk again for central Texas and Oklahoma. Biggest risk for this one is going to be our hail risk, which down here in the slight risk region for central Texas and Oklahoma, 50%. We also do have a category 1 risk, mainly from the western side or the left part where you see on the left side half of this, extending from from Texas through Kansas and Oklahoma all the way up to a little bit of Nebraska. Then for our wind risk, we also do have a 15% chance, basically in the same area as the hail risk without any categorical risk. And then up here for the tornado risk, we do have a 5% chance over here in the southern plains. And we even have a little bit over here in western Wisconsin along the Mississippi River. And even over there in that one, we're going to be having a category risk for that, and as well as north central Texas in southwestern Oklahoma. Then we will go over to the next days here where we could see day 3. We have a slight risk for these two areas in particular. So make sure to be weather aware, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.